just been seeing family. Been training every day. We're going to meet up with Digicel to do some work with the community. We actually brought 2 suitcases of gifts to give out to victim support. Unfortunately, they're on shutdown or lockdown, so we can't see them. But we're going to go do work with the Helping Hands on Saturday and do as much as we can while we're here. This is the right time to be here to help and to encourage those at this time. It's a hard time. There's 70 people affected from the measles, and it's, like I said, very sad. But we're here to show our support and show that it's, you're all right to get immunised, and it'll save you. But I don't see it as a big problem, and that's why I'm here with my family and my kids. They've all been immunised, and we feel it's important to come back at this time and to show our support, and to see that it's not a scary place to come. Just because there's the measles doesn't mean it's a red zone, you know what I mean? So it's okay. Hopefully everyone's getting immunised now to save more lives. Tomorrow we have already something booked in. Thursday for the finals. We're going to go show our support and watch some boxing. I think it's important to see the talent from Samoa and encourage them and cheer them on, and then they're going to go represent Samoa, and hopefully we can, whoever wins, we can help them, put them on the world stage. So it's a great time to be here, not only for the measles, but to do community work and to see the fighters that are fighting. I'm just looking forward to seeing how they perform and see how the training has been, and see if I can give a little bit of advice on what they can work on and improve on. Joshua boxed smartly from the outside, along a reach and his height, and it was a boring fight, but he did what he has to do to win. Not boring, but it wasn't as much, a lot of punches from him. But he did what he had to do to win, and that's why he's a great champion. So I want to fight those guys. I said to my team, I'll fight anyone, anywhere, anytime. I don't care who it is. Now I'm in a position where I don't care, just give me a fight. And I think it'll take 2 or 3 fights. So then I'll reach the top again and I'll fight for the title again. But I want to be champion of the world again, or unified champion. And I've given myself 4 years, 3 or 4 years. After that, I want to retire. So I want to go hard. I want to go hard and win, and then win the belt. For Samoa and New Zealand, defend it, smash them, and then retire at the top. As I get back to New Zealand, I want to get the team together, and at the moment it looks like I'm going to be fighting at the end of February. Hopefully in the States. So that's why I'm training every day now. I'm keeping ready, staying ready. As soon as I get the call saying we've got a fight, I'm on the next plane back to America, sparring and preparing well. But I'm ready now. If they call me and say you got a fight in January and February, I'm ready. It's not hard because everyone here supports me. I walk around the streets, everyone's, do your best and train hard. And when I go to people's houses, they offer me healthy food. So I'm training, like I said, I'm training every day, and it's not hard. Now I'm extra motivated because of my kids. Because a lot of people say I can't do it, and I will do it. I'll be champion again. And I just want to say, if I'm inga, so thank everyone for their support and what I'm trying to achieve, and we'll be champion again soon.